my baking show. Today I will bake a cake. These are the ingredients. Cake mix, frosting, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of oil, and half a cup of water. But my mom will get my water when it's done. And 3 eggs. You can take whatever eggs you want, brown eggs or white eggs. But for now, I'll use large brown grade A eggs. And then we have this pan and this spoon, and we have the 2 cake holders. So first, start making the cake. My mom already buttered the cake pans. Now we need to open this. Cut this. I'll use my scissors. Yes. Got it open. So how much should I put in?
Everything. Use the scissors.
Okay, so thank you. My mom helped me tell what to do. So you just have to put the hole.
Hold the scissors properly.
I just have to put the hole in.
Give me, I can cut it for you.
Thank you. I'm just going to pour the whole, all the cake mix in.
Slowly, slowly.
Oh man, I fell all on the table too. Mine is making dirty.
Slowly, yes.
Clean up the egg. Yeah. Good. Good. Got all this stone water. I'm gonna pour a little water in. We got all the stuff in. Now we need to mix it with this. Yep, we do. We're gonna mix it with this. We're just going to mix it up.
Mix it nicely.
All finished?
Yes.
Are you all finished? This is how it looks once it is done. It looks like applesauce. Yeah, it looks like applesauce. And we have to mix it very fast. So if you want, you have to have a parents do that.
It tastes
Tastes very good. Now we got everything for this in the pans. This is my parent. I'm gonna make one for my parents. This one is well, now this one is with cream, so we're going to pour it first in my parents one. All of them in. Everything should go in here. We have 2 cakes ready, and we're going to put them in the oven. We'll go one by one. First, mine. Now, we got a bubble in it. Now, we got it in the oven. We are going to get it. We're going to keep it for. Now we are going to keep it for 30 minutes, but we're just gonna peek it first to see how it's doing now. It's not ready yet, but it looks kind of ready, but it's kind of mushed. Now we are going to check if it is done or not. Now I'm going to put the knife in to see if it is good without sticking. It's not sticking. Let's try this one. It's not sticking. You can try it. Now we can take them out. Let's take them out. Take them out. This is how the cakes look like when they are ready. We are going to wait for a half an hour for them to cool down. When we're done, we're going to put our funfetti frosting and sprinkles on top. Now that it's cooled down, we are going to put it in the plates. Taste it. Down this one. Guys, now you see the bottom is not straight. On most of the cakes, we have to cut them and decorate them. Now I'm cutting it. Now it got cut open. Now we will cut this. Now that we make the cake flat, we are going to flip it over and then we are going to decorate it. First, we got this. We are going to the frosting is done. Now we are going to put the sprinkles. Done with the sprinkling. Now we are going to put the graham crackers, some cookies, we are done with the cookie decoration. Now we will put the band that my mom made. We are putting on the banner that my mom made. Done. Now we are done with decorating the cake. I hope you guys learned how to make the cake. Thank you for watching. This is my cake.